Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to start with priming our eyes, and we're going to take the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot as always, and we are going to apply this to the eyelid area. And then with this, I'm not going to set my eyelid. I usually do, but I've been in the trend of trying not to set the base with the translucent powder to see how that's been working, and surprisingly it's been pretty cool. And for the first shade, I'm going to go on with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take the shade Jada, and I'm using this on a BH Cosmetics brush that I got out of a set. And I'm just going to use this brush, and I'm going to apply this into the brow bone space and crease at the same time. Yeah, as you can see, this brush is kind of big and wide, and I chose this brush because it is big and wide, and it can get a big amount of this, it can cover a large space at one time. And how I did it was I just patted that color on and then blended it out because the base is kind of sticky. So with that being said, I just want to apply it on there, stamp it on, and then blend. And then trying to blend out that harsh line at the top, I took the shade Creamsicle, and I'm going to try to blend the edges of the shade Jada out. With the base being sticky still, it was kind of hard to blend out that harsh line, but I went in between the Creamsicle shade and the Jada, the brush that I used to apply Jada. I went back and forth in between those two to get it kind of blown out like I wanted it to be, not having that sharp line like it had when I first applied. But then I'm going to go into the shade Enchanted, which is the dark green shade in the palette, and this is also out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using that on a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to pat that in my outer V area, blending it out, and then going back in between the shades Jada and Enchanted. Cutting a crease with my Inglot AMC gel liner in the number 94. This is like a rose gold kind of pinkish gel liner, and I'm going to use this on a flat concealer brush. I think this might be the brush that I got out of one of my Urban Decay palettes, the Naked palettes, and I love that brush, or these kind of brushes, to cut the crease. And I'm just going to cut my crease with this. This gel liner, it dries fast, and as soon as it's set, it's not moving nowhere, it's not budging. So whatever blending out you have to do with this gel liner, you must do it right away, because it's not going to go anywhere. Inglot was not playing around when they made them gel liners. They don't play, they don't budge. I took the shade Enchanted and the shade Jada, and I just also blended the edges out and placed that Jada shade in front of the Enchanted shade to just kind of give it a grainy effect. And I used the shade Beam to highlight my brow bone area. Then I'm going to take this Kandeolove chunky glitter in the shade Salem 3D. I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to use my Duo eyelash glue to apply the glitters, and I'm only going to apply the glitters to the outer V part of my eye. And you have to be careful with these glitters because they're very chunky, very big, so if they get into your eye, I think it will hurt. But I'm just placing carefully the glitters, especially the big chunky purple part of the glitter, onto the outer V of my eye. I think I only placed 4 of the big chunky purple glitters on the end. And then I'm using the AMC gel liner number 77. It's the black one. It's the best gel liner ever. and I'm using that to create a line up over my eye. Not making a wing, just creating a line. For eyelashes, I use Cocoa Lashes in the style Stella. These are my favorite eyelashes of all time. I think I have a whole drawer full of them, and I'm planning on getting more. I love these lashes. For the inner corners of my eyes, I placed the shade Beam on the inner corners, and I also did the lower lash lines. I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording, but I also used Enchanted and Jada on the bottom lash line. And for lips, I'm using the shade Emerald. It is one of the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipsticks. And if you watched my videos before, you know I love the catsuit lipsticks. They are everything, and for $5 you can't go wrong with that. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I think this look is so nice. I posted this on my Facebook page, and I posted it on my Snapchat and my Instagram, and a lot of people liked it, and I hope you guys like it here. You know, as always, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, connect with me on my other social medias. Until next time, you guys, take care.